Today, me and Mr. Leafstream. This dumbass. We'll be playing Exploding Kittens.
I don't know how to read.
All right.
Neither do I.
Get to work.
So if you don't know how this game works, those 3 cats are gonna go in there and be bombs. We have to try to not get those bombs, and we have different powers
Your
to
turn.
stop them. As you see, it's my turn. I'm gonna click the button. If I get a bomb, I'm gonna scream. I didn't get it. Let's go. Attack just makes someone go second, like 2 times. 2 times. You know
Do
what?
me a
Yeah, I'll give you
favor.
something.
Why is that guy rubbing that guy's hairy ass back?
I don't know. I gave him my
Maybe
fucking
rub it.
watermelon.
Give him another watermelon.
I don't have.
I got 2 of these little bad boys. I can...
See, that's a bomb. If he doesn't do anything, he's gonna die. He did something. You can place it anywhere you want. We're gonna try to win and get the most expensive
I
skin.
wonder if you feel.
That's the series. The series is gonna be playing this game.
Do you
And-
mind if I steal?
Yes, I do mind.
No, you
Uh-uh.
bastard! I don't play the game.
Shut up. Deal with it.
I'm a tough
I
dude.
see.
Look at the
You
aura
try.
I've just gained from wearing these.
Yeah, alright, whatever you say.
I see.
I'm just gonna be playing this game constantly to get the most expensive skin, the cat robot skin.
It's your turn.
The next one is not a bomb.
Do me a favor.
Do me a favor.
Gimme.
I don't want to give shit.
Gimme.
Oh, Taco Cat. Taco Cat.
Gimme.
No.
Giddy. Do it. Do it. Yes. Alright, shut it. Bang.
Attack.
You. AI monkey, go twice. Yippee.
Shopping in her, and now we're here at a standstill. I wonder if you feel. Shirts are down.
A bomb.
All about.
What are you gonna do?
Alone.
I can't defeat it, alright.
At the edge of the universe, humming a tune. Or merely dreaming. We
Shush.
oh.
Don't cry. Throw the fucking novel at you.
Alone.
Novel. Alright, forget.
At the edge
This depressed
of the
motherfucker.
universe, humming a tune. Or
Play your
merely
goddamn
dreaming
thing.
we were snow- Lonely, no.
I'm
Boom, bam, boom. I am so lonely.
Your turn.
Alright. But yeah, I think I'm gonna make a series about just making it to like having the most expensive stuff in this game, like having the most expensive skin, the most expensive title, the most expensive cards. Hopefully I don't die here. I don't. Let's go.
Sucker punch your nutsack.
What are you looking at? It's not me. You look 2 different ways. Yeah, you look in 2 different ways, dumbass. Yeah.
Oh, he's gone.
God, we're look at you see are arguing. Killed him. Where's the
Damn
cat?
it. What the fuck?
Flying
I want to eat
hamster.
Big Mac. Look over there, it's a flying hamster.
It's your turn.
I'm not wrong.
My turn.
I also stole your wallet while you were looking.
Fuck. I needed that.
Lonely, lonely.
It's your turn. Go.
Oh. Oh. The first part is horrible. Boom!
Your turn.
I got my taco cat!
So, you remember when I did this? That would ruin my chances of winning.
Why? It doesn't. It's just a ball.
And I'm gonna... If I can... If I... Oh my god, my wall's in the way.
Oh god, he's gonna die. 14, 13, 15,
I'm dead because my wall's in the way.
10, 9,
Gimme!
6,
Fuck!
5, 4, 3.
My wall's in the fucking way! Fuck!
Let me cook. They ain't over with giving me looks. Got the crave, I know that they shit, they not going nowhere, so they staying in brook. Let me cook. They ain't over with giving me looks. Got the crave, I know that they shit, they not going nowhere, so they staying in brook. Let me cook.
Now we're playing our second game. Our second
It's
game is
your
Blitz, and for some goddamn random reason, I'm starting first.
Lonely, lonely, I am so lonely. Lonely, lonely, lonely.
Damn, I was really hoping it was a bomb.
Your turn.
Nice. Danger goggles.
Hope you perish.
Perish along with this earth. What are you gonna do, buddy?
We'll perish along with this planet.
Yeah, this mode we all start with a defuse and we only have 3 slots.
We don't get shit. It's technically 6, you dumb.
And we also get these cool goggles in this mode too. I'm really hoping I get enough money to get some expensive shit.
I
Your
want
turn.
a sword for my birthday.
Okay, bit random, but alright.
Danger spotted.
Get noped.
I tried to open your note.
You were too late. I'm happy. Alone at the. It's too late to skip.
Yep.
Country road, take me home to the place
Just do
I
it
call
already.
home, West Virginia. Country
Dangerous
mama. Nope him! Nope him!
I don't have a note.
You said you did
I'm
it!
holding a cat.
It's your turn.
Somebody stop it!
I shot myself. Where did I miss out on?
Fox moved to
Missed out on a
Luffy
tool.
Romanora, 1977. Luffy Romanora skipped. Turn skipped. Fox
Okay,
moved
can you
to
play?
Fox.
The book hasn't said. The book says that you play.
It does now, doesn't?
Yes.
It knows the future.
Nope.
Uh-uh.
Fuck you, kid. That's for my nope. That's for my danger goggles.
I defused! Ha!
It's your turn.
Why was there
Why was there so much suspense for a tool?
Why was it so suspenseful, dude?
For a
no
singular
need.
tool.
There was no need for the suspense.
Again.
Attack.
Nah, I'll let it slide.
It's your turn.
Wait, can I stack?
Attack.
It does stack.
Oh, good luck, buddy.
He gets fortune. Stupid.
Oh god. Oh shit. Good luck for you. Bye bye, buddy. This is
It's
not
the
looking good
ones.
for you.
Lonely.
God, I really
I
do not
hate
need
cats. This is why I'm a dog person.
this.
I
You're a
don't
rabbit.
trust you. You're good.
What?
I'm a rabbit.
Yes, you're a rabbit.
Really?
It's your
You're gonna do
turn.
another racist stuff? Wow.
It's not racist.
It's because I'm white, isn't it?
Yeah, okay, buddy.
Get fucking ruined, my boy. The longest game.
There's
of
3
Blitz
balls.
ever.
Your chances of getting... Yeah, exactly, buddy.
It actually shows the time on your watch.
Ah.
Get fucked, you loser. Oh, fuck.
Bye bye. Well, now what? This is not
It's your
good.
turn.
I'm not gonna win this. I just know I can win this. Fuck! Ah! I want that crown should be mine. I think I broke my controller. Ooh, shit. Alright, we're all good. Where'd you go?
Alright, let's get to work.
Alright. Now we're playing... Duel. We're playing Duel now.
Hello everybody, my name is Markiplier. Welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Five Nights at Freddy's. And in the order
Shut
that
up.
Ian suggested in me-
Shush. This is Exploding Cats, not Five Nights at Freddy's.
Shut up! You know what you're talking about.
God, you sound just like your character. Yeah. Grr. Grr.
I'm
Alright,
going to
rage.
bomb your house.
Your turn.
Yeah, okay, buddy.
Taco Cat! All is better.
I'm going to make these two take your balls.
See my device.
Steal.
All is better with Taco Cat.
Give me balls. Top one's mine.
Oh. You motherfucker!
Bleh.
What'd you take?
Rainbow Cat.
My fucking Rainbow Cat, dude.
Bleh.
I had 3 Rainbow Cats.
Do
Oh,
you
it's
my
okay, I
device?
guess. Give me.
Steal.
Give me.
I can't grab it!
Sucks to suck, loser. Oh, nice nope.
I don't have a nope.
Yeah, you did. I'd say my fucking hands, retard. Lonely,
Your turn.
lonely. I am so lonely.
Attack.
That guy up. Nope, you're nope, bitch. Get noped.
Attack.
I made you waste your nope.
Listen good.
It's your turn.
Unless I had an attack.
Do me a favor. Do me a favor.
Taco Cat, your time has come to help me. I'm gonna squeeze the life out of you. Oh, you can squeeze them? What the fuck?
Taco Cat. Give me something!
Do you my device?
Steal.
No!
Nice.
I hate you so much.
I see the future.
Sure. Two tacos put together.
Oh, I fucking hate. That's
Do you
what. That's
my
what's gonna.
device?
Who's gonna tell, bro? Not my shovel. Who's gonna tell, bro? That's a potato.
Nice. I was hoping for a
You just
skip,
made
but
it worse for yourself. Now you don't know what they are.
I know that the last one was an explosion. Wow. That really sucks.
There once was a ship that put to sea. The name of the ship was a belly of tea. Her
I
sail
went
was
to
high, and I glued it down on my own. My bully boys go.
Huh.
Someday the weathermen come to bring us sugar and tea
Yes.
and rum. One day when the tugging is come, we'll take our leave and go. She not been to
Your turn.
Taco Cat.
Wait, this is
She
not good.
been
I just fucked myself.
Do me a favor.
Do me a favor.
And so and take that name and go. Soon may the weathermen come to bring us sugar and tea and
You idiot. You complete fool.
take our leave and go.
Do
Please.
you my device? Steal.
Anything. Anything good. That's perfect. Yes. That's perfect. The next one was a bomb. Let's
All
go.
hands to the deck, harpoon and photos. and
I swear to
tea
goddamn.
and
I
soon
swear.
may the weathermen come to bring us sugar and tea.
Thank God. Whew. The next one was a bomb for me.
good.
Your turn.
Yes, another diffuse.
I see the future.
Ooh, sure.
How was the ass, my brother?
It smells.
Skip.
Skip.
No.
Yes, indeed.
By all means. Ladies first. Skip.
Oh, this is not good.
Your turn.
Uh-oh.
Bye-bye.
No!